Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, as you can see, we're going to make a pasta. Bacon, mushrooms, tomatoes, super easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're using today. In the center, 1 can of plum tomatoes. I've roughly just chopped those. White fresh mushrooms is what I'm using today, and about equal amounts of bacon. Now the bacon you use is up to you. You can use a smoked, unsmoked, fatty, streaky, lean, up to you. I've got a bit of a streaky one here, quite a bit of fat on it, which I think works great in this. Oregano as my dried herb, about 2 teaspoons there. Chopped garlic, quite a lot. I'm going for like 3 or 4 teaspoons of fresh garlic. 1 onion sliced. Little bit of celery, which is optional, but I think works wonders in this, and a few black olives. We're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil, and of course we're going to need our pasta. This is really all about the sauce, but get your pasta ready and cooked. I'm using the farfalle today. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, pan, skillet, whatever you want. I've got some olive oil in there. You could be using something different if you wanted. Heat is on. Let's get moving. Let's drop in that garlic. Let's go in with that little bit of celery. Let's go in with our sliced onion. And now let's add our bacon. So there's about, I think, 7 or 8 rashers of bacon there. Like I said, I'm using a nice streaky one. As you can see, a lot of white fat there. Okay, we want a kind of above medium heat. Let's throw this around in the pan for about 3 to 4 minutes. Wonderful, really loving this. It's coming together really nicely. Okay, some black pepper. Plenty of that. Then I'm going to go for some salt. Be careful with your salt because depends on your bacon, it might be very salty. Let's get in our dried herb. I'm using oregano. Drop in those olives. Now time for our mushrooms. Super easy this is really. Okay, stay on this heat, go for another 3 minutes, keep it moving. Fantastic. Simply, we're going to add now our tomatoes, that 1 can of tomatoes. We're going to lower the heat, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. If you wanted a little bit of red wine or white wine in the mix now could work. Let me just stir these tomatoes in, break them down just a little bit more. We're going to let this go now for 5 to 6 minutes. We are very nearly done. Give it a stir every now and then. Wonderful. Off goes the heat. I'm going to drop in a little bit of parsley in here, flat leaf parsley. If you wanted a bit of fresh basil, could work maybe as well. Check that for salt. It's going to be great for me. Fantastic little pasta. There we go. In goes my pasta. Change spoons. And that's it. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we will see you soon. Lots of love.